In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of LinkedIn on your homepage. Whether you're stepping away from your computer, switching accounts, or using a shared device, signing out properly helps keep your information secure and ensures your session ends cleanly. Start on your LinkedIn homepage in a web browser where you're already signed in. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area, usually labeled Me or showing your profile photo. Click that. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several account options you can choose from. In that drop-down, look for the option that says Sign Out. It's typically near the bottom of the list. Go ahead and click it. Now, two things can happen. If this is your first time signing out on this browser, LinkedIn will show a small pop-out message that says something like, "Remember me on this browser so you won't need to enter your sign-in information the next time you visit LinkedIn." You'll see two choices, remember and sign out, or simply sign out. If it's not your first time, you'll be logged out right away automatically and you can skip the prompt. Here's what those choices mean. If you select remember and sign out, LinkedIn won't keep you logged in, but it may remember your account on this browser to make signing in faster next time. This can be convenient on a personal computer that only you use. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's safer to choose sign out without remembering, so nothing about your account is left behind for the next person who opens the browser. After you make your selection, your current session ends and you'll be signed out. You should land on the LinkedIn sign-in page, which confirms you're no longer logged in. If you decide to return, just sign in as usual and you'll be back on your homepage. Quick recap before we wrap up. Open your LinkedIn homepage, click the Me icon in the top right corner, choose Sign Out from the drop-down, then decide whether to remember and sign out or just sign out. On personal devices, remembering can be convenient. On shared devices, not remembering is the safer choice. That's all it takes. If this walkthrough helped, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.